Hello and welcome. My name is Yvonne, and I want to give you a quick tour through my well-being and health app called MeTime. MeTime enables me to create my MeTime quality moments and stay physically and mentally healthy, especially in times of pandemic and isolation. So after the splash screen, I will see a little intro onboarding with the main features and mission of the app. I will click myself through it and decide to sign up. I can sign up with my social media, but I decide to use my email and enter my credentials. I made a mistake here, so I will correct it and then I can sign up. I get a confirmation message, and now I'm asked to give more information about myself. So the app can customize the content already. I will do it right away and answer these questions quickly, and then I can get started. Then I will be lead to feature onboarding, which explains the different sections of the app, the home screen, where I can find my collection and customize news and manage my activities and review my progress. I then have the well-being library where I can browse a variety of physical and mental activities. I have the mood tracker where I can track my mood and get mood-based activity suggestions. And I have a community section where I can connect to friends and join groups or events and stay healthy together. Okay, got it. Let's go. So I will land on the home screen where I'm welcomed with a health quote. I see my collection, customized news, and my favorites here. I will now give you three scenarios to make it more fun to follow me through this app. So the first scenario is I had a very shitty day at work and I want to do something for my relaxation. So I decide I want to browse some of the activities and add an activity of interest to my schedule. So I will navigate to the well-being library where I have some filters that I can put. I can also see all of the category filters here and how many activities are included in each category. Then I see some customized content here. This bowl meditation directly caught my attention, but maybe I want to navigate to the meditation filter also, where I can see challenges, topic-related meditations, popular popular meditations, and so on. But I like this one, so I'm clicking on it. I get some detailed information about it. I can also save it to favorites, directly play it, or plan the activity, which I'm going to do now. I give some more information about the days, time slots, and so on, and then I save it. Great, this was saved. I can now see the plan or keep browsing. I say keep browsing, but to show you where we find the plan, it's the home screen. And then when I navigate to the activity plan, I now see a plan with the activities for this week, for the upcoming activities, and also my challenges that I'm in right now. I will close this. And so let's go to the second scenario. I'm feeling a little bit empty and sad for a couple of weeks now, and I want to stay on track of my emotions and start to track my emotions. And I hope to see mood-based activity suggestions. So I go to the mood tracker. I then select a mood. I can scroll also here. I say today I feel sad. I give some additional information. I can also say what happened and do some journaling, and then I say save. I get a confirmation about my tracked mood, and then I can either review my mood curve, but now I want to see the mood-based suggestions. And now I get a motivating health quote over here, which is nice, and an overview of the mood-based activity suggestions. I will click on this one, and again, I will see this detailed view. And I will not do this now. But this was the second scenario. The mood curve I can also review from the home screen over here. There I can see all my tracked moods for this week, the tracked moods in total, and also my most used tags. And I can also reach this mood curve over this secondary button over here. But let's go to the last scenario. My friend Emma, she told me about this great yoga group, which I also would like to join. And in general, she seems happy and balanced. So I want to check out her profile. I navigate to the community section where I here see all my friends. I see a news feed of the latest news of friends or the groups I'm joining. I see an overview of my groups, my events. I can also go to my profile here. But now I want to check Emma's profile. I can see her shared favorites here and also her groups. So now I could click on the Yoga in the Park group and join it. And yeah, that's the last scenario. Thanks for watching and have a good day.